Hey everyone, I'm Rithik from UPDF. Today, we'll show how to extract text and images from password-protected PDFs with UPDF on desktop and mobile, plus aJoysoft for extra restrictions. After unlocking, I'll show simple ways in UPDF to extract the content you need. So click the link in the description below, download UPDF, and follow me step by step to extract content from password-protected PDFs. Let's move on to unlock the document for later extraction first. Once you download and install UPDF on your desktop, press the Open File option. Then, choose a password-protected PDF to import. Next, enter the open password in the box and press the Unlock button to open the file. After the PDF opens, try editing the PDF. You will be prompted to enter the permissions password and click the Unlock button again. On UPDF Mobile, tap the plus icon. Next, press the Files option and select the Lock PDF. Then enter the open password to unlock the PDF. After that, tap the Edit option and UPDF will ask for permissions password again. Here, you must enter the password to unlock editing permissions. When you're tired of typing the password every time the file opens, UPDF lets you permanently remove that protection from the unlocked document. Once you open a PDF in UPDF, you need to press the arrow icon next to the Save option and choose the Remove Password option. Then, choose a location to save the unlocked PDF and press the Save option. The UPDF mobile app also lets you remove open and permissions passwords. In the opened PDF, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner and choose the Password option. After that, tap the Remove Password option and confirm the removal with Yes. Then, simply save the unlocked PDF. Some users, like me, work with multiple locked PDFs every single day and essentially need a separate password tool. In this case, aJoysoft PDF Password Remover is a good choice. First, visit the aJoysoft official site and press the Try It Free button to download it for free. Once aJoysoft is installed, open it and press the Add Files button to import the restricted PDF into the tool. Then click the Remove Password button and select the new location to save the PDF. After the PDF is saved, open it in UPDF for further editing. UPDF Pro users can get aJoysoft access for a lifetime by simply contacting support@superace.com via their registered account email. They'll provide you with the redemption code that you can use to access this tool. From the UPDF pricing plans page, you can see the plans that will make you eligible to access aJoysoft. These plans are UPDF Pro Annual, UPDF Pro Lifetime, UPDF Pro Annual plus the AI bundle, and UPDF Pro Lifetime plus the AI bundle. With UPDF, you can turn an unlocked PDF into Word or other editable formats for easier reuse. On UPDF, click the Tools option and choose the format that you want to convert to. For more formats, press the More option. After that, choose a PDF page range that you want to convert. Select a Word content style and press the Apply button. Then you need to choose a location to save the converted file. Open the converted file in Word and copy the text to see if it's editable. When exporting the PDF as images, you can either export all images to a folder or extract specific images in PDF editing mode. If you only need to extract a few specific pages, UPDF Desktop and Mobile let you select the pages you want and extract them into a separate PDF. On the desktop main interface, click the Organize Pages option. Then choose the Extract option from the toolbar, choose the extract type, and enter the number of pages. Here you can choose extract pages as multiple files and delete pages after extraction. Once done, click the Extract button to start the extraction process. Mobile users have access to the Organize Pages feature. After that, choose the pages that need to be extracted and tap on the Extract option. Next, press the Done option to save a copy of the PDF containing the extracted pages. One of the fastest methods is to drag and drop pages directly from the thumbnail sidebar to create new PDFs. On the main PDF page, select the PDF pages from the left side thumbnail panel and drag them into a folder. This will create a single PDF of each page. Mac users can only drag one page at a time. Each page will be saved as its own PDF file. However, UPDF on Windows can pick multiple pages at a time. If you only entered the password to open the document and left protection in place, you can turn that unlocked view into a clean PDF by printing. First, press the Print option in the drop-down menu. Then, choose the Microsoft Print to PDF printer option and select the page range that you want to print. Afterward, simply press the Print button to save a new unlocked PDF. If you're a Mac user, choose the same settings and click the arrow icon next to the PDF option. Then press the Save as PDF option to create a new PDF copy. When you only need a specific region from the unlocked PDF, UPDF helps you reuse that copied region. Once you open a PDF, right-click and drag the area that you want to capture. Then choose the Copy as Text or Copy as Image option. To turn the copied text or image content into a separate PDF, simply use the Create from Clipboard option. Next, choose the page size and orientation and click the Apply button to create a new PDF. Windows users can capture a specific region using the built-in snipping tool shortcut Win plus Shift plus S. Mac users can instead press Command plus Shift plus 4 to screenshot a selected area. Alternatively, if Mac users want to extract a specific region into a new PDF, here's another way. On UPDF Mac, set the page that needs to be extracted on the display. Then press the Files option and choose the Create PDF from Windows Selection Screen Capture option. Select or drag the area that you want to capture, then choose the page size and orientation and click the Apply button to create a new PDF. UPDF AI can automatically extract text from long or scanned PDFs so you skip manual copying. This is how you can do that. Press the UPDF AI icon and choose the Chat option. Next, choose the screenshot icon and capture that area with text. After that, enter a prompt like "Extract text from this image" and click the Send button. UPDF AI will extract the text from the image. Other than that, UPDF Mobile also lets you chat with images and ask specific questions regarding them. Simply upload the image and write your question in the chat box. That wraps up our walkthrough on how UPDF helps you extract content from password-protected PDFs once you have the correct password or permissions in place. Download UPDF from the link below, and then try these methods on a locked PDF to unlock and reuse it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the bell icon for more PDF tutorials.